I'm going to talk about how to motivate the unmotivated. And my question to you today is this: how do you motivate the unmotivated? Can you motivate anyone? I would say no. None of us can. The only way to motivate an individual today is to find out from them what motivates them. There are a lot of factors that come into play when motivating others. Ask your employees, why are you here? Why do you come to work at ABC 123 Company? Where do you see yourself 1 year from now, 3 years from now, even 5 years from now? And based on the answers, and I can tell you now, you're going to get different answers. You're going to get people that tell you things like this: well, I'm just here because it's a bad economy, and as soon as the economy turns, I'm going elsewhere. You're going to get some people that's going to say things like this: I'm here because I would like to be an executive director. I would like to work my way up to that position. Now, those are two different motivators. For the person that's there just to pass time, they may cause you some problems from time to time. And you may have to motivate them by showing them the disciplinary action every now and then. Sometimes people are motivated by what they want, and others are motivated by what they don't want or what they don't want to happen. Now, for the person that wants to move up the chain and be an executive director, you can motivate that individual, especially when money is out of the question, by saying something like this: well, we don't have enough money to give you raises. We're trying everything in our power to keep from laying individuals off in this economy. What I can do for you is I can help you increase your resume. I can give you more tasks and more responsibility. I can promote you to upper level managers. I can put you on a 60-day advanced program where I'm personally mentoring and coaching you. And I can guarantee you, by doing that, you'll be on a fast track for success. Now, there are 5 other ways that you can motivate employees once you find out what their initial motivation is. And one is simple rewards. Most employees across the country tell me that they would rather receive sincere praise and appreciation for a job well done. And sincere praise and appreciation can be in the form of handwritten letters and thank you notes, a pat on the back, and sometimes just getting in front of everyone in the workplace and saying, Shawn did a marvelous job. He set up the seminar room. He was able to get individuals involved, and because of that act, we had a success. Next, you can motivate individuals by giving them an extra day off. Comp time. In today's economy, family time is important, flexible time schedules. You can also do things like Employee of the Month parking, Employee of the Month boards. I caution you, if you're going to have an Employee of the Month, make sure you're fair. Don't just give it to someone that does not deserve it. Don't do what we call jelly bean motivation, where you're giving it to this person this month, another person the next month. Outline the goals, the roles, and the expectations, and give it to the person that stands out the most, even if it means that you're giving that same award to the same person a few months in a row. You can also do things like maybe take $10 out of your pocket and buy a Little Caesars pizza. You can go to Little Caesars and get a pizza as long as this room that'll feed everyone. Now, you may get some individuals to say, Shawn, why'd you bring in this nasty pizza? Yet they'll grab a few slices and they'll keep it moving. And one final way that you can motivate your employees is to sit down and listen to them. They want to be heard. Let them have a voice. Let them have some say-so in the process. If you can do those things, find out what motivates them, and do your part to keep them motivated, I can guarantee you that you'll have a successful workplace. And last but not least, set goals with them. Now that you know what motivates them and you know where they want to go 1 year, 3 years, and 5 years from now, why don't you sit down and set what I call SMART goals? SMART goals are specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. As soon as you get back to your workplace, sit down with each and every one of your employees and ask them the magic question: why are you here? Talk about their goals, outline what your expectations are, and don't forget to reward them along the way, and I can guarantee you, you'll be successful.